Hi guys, so if you saw in the title, there's an update for this Reolink dual floodlight PoE camera, and I have three of these, and they're actually pretty well built. The metal housing is it's metal, and that's basically better than uh, plastic, which would crack over time. So they've actually just recently, really recently, in January, released an update for this camera, which adds extra features. Now, if you go to the download center on their website, uh, and you select the camera, it supposedly says the latest version is from June 12th, 2024. But if you update through the app, you manually update through the mobile app, uh, it should give you a new version with this firmware version right here. So that is the latest version, and I believe it's uh, January 14th, 2026 for the release date. So really quite recently, and it gives you extra detection options for the smart event detection. So as you can see, there's line crossing alert, zone intrusion alert, and zone loitering alert. Now you can also configure these settings through the app uh, if you don't have an NVR, but I'm using an NVR, so as you can see, I already set up a zone intrusion. Uh, I believe you can't change the direction on it. There's the settings you get. That's basically it. You can add multiple, which is really nice. Here I have another one. You can change the delay. And then zone loitering alert. Yeah, you get the point. So these features are great because they allow you to set up notifications while not receiving too many notifications. Uh, so that's gonna save you a lot of headache when you have the mobile app and you're just getting a lot of notifications from a ton of traffic passing by. So yeah, smart event detection is going to help me a lot, and I thought uh, you guys might be interested in knowing that there's new firmware out there. Uh, yeah, so for some reason the NVR just sucks at updating the cameras. So I'd highly recommend updating through the app. I think you can set up if you have hybrid mode enabled. Let's see. Oop, I'm gonna have to cover that up. Let's see. If you have hybrid mode enabled, then you should be able to go through the app, log into each camera that you have, and that will allow you to set up automatic updates for each individual camera. I'm not sure if that actually works, but it's just one way of doing it. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. Hope to help. Please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.